The ultimate purpose of your strategy should be to make your trades right. That is only the important thing. It doesn't matter how many indicators you know you to use or how many strategy you know. But if you are not able to make trades right at the end, then you will be facing lots of losses. So in this video, I'm going to give you a easy strategy that you can follow to make profitable trades for lifelong. And this is not a brand new strategy. I have already talked about this strategy in my previous video, but I have used a bit more creativity in that strategy to get my trades right. And you can use this exact strategy with this exact creativity, or you can use your own creativity in this strategy to make more of your trades right. So watch this video very carefully till the end. And if you want to get some free signals while trading binary options, especially inside pocket option, then don't you join my free Telegram channel. I do provide daily free signals in that Telegram channel. And if you want to copy my trades directly without you trading manually, then do join my VIP copy trading channel. All of the details to join my VIP copy trading channel is given in the free Telegram channel. So firstly, I will show you how to set up this this indicator, and I'll explain you the strategy, and I will show you actually by making few trades, and you'll see how the trades will go right by using this exact strategy. So firstly, just log into your pocket option account and make all of this currency pair favorite that has over 92% payout. Okay, just click on it and it will appear at here. And then make your candlestick of S30. That means each of these candles are forming in 30-second time frame. And then make it clock, make sure that S30 is selected at here, and then make it flag, and again click on here and plus S30 is selected. Okay, and then you decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Once you do this much, then strategy is extremely simple. You just need to implement an indicator that is called Parabolic SAR. Okay, once you implement this indicator, then you will see these kind of dots. Now I'll show you in the screenshot by explaining the exact strategy. But previously what I used to teach is like whenever this second dot appears, then you just make trade from here. Okay, whenever this next candle starts and this next dot forms, from here you can start trading by clicking on higher. Okay, similarly whenever the second dot forms, then you can make a trade by clicking on lower whenever this second candle starts. Okay, but I have modified this strategy a little bit by using my creativity. And now whenever this second dot appears, then you wait. Okay, you wait and let the candle go in that direction wherever the market is, wherever this dot is suggesting the market should go. Okay, like if this second dot appears at here above the candles, that means market should fall down. Okay, and whenever you see that market is falling beautifully, and whenever a retracement happens, okay, or at any point with the lower trading ending time, like if your trading ending time is like for 30 seconds, but if 20 seconds is passed, then you can still make a trade by clicking on lower, and you can close that trade in 10 seconds. Okay, if this candle is of 30 seconds, so you can make trade in this way. So if you didn't understand here, I will explain in another. Okay, so for example, this is a 30-second candle, right? Now market here a second dot have formed, so this dot have formed below these candles, that means market should go up. Okay, and whenever this second dot appears, then you start to look if market is going in the same direction, and if it is going, then you see for some retracement or at any point whenever the market is going, and like 30-second time it takes this for this candle to close. Okay, but if it have already spent like 10 seconds at here, okay, then you can easily make a trade and your trading closing time will be 20 seconds. Okay, because this is a 30-second candle, and whenever this candle closes, your trading will also be closed. Okay, in this way you can make trade to get maximum of your trades right. Now I'll exactly show you by keeping quiet. I'll not talk. Now you see how I am executing these trades, and always use your creativity to get your trades right. So now I'll keep quiet. Let's watch it.